My name's Dino, I've got protein coming out my tats. I believe that going to the gym is like a religion. 24/7 at the gym, all the time, banging weights.
Always at the gym, pumping iron. Dino out.
This is Dave, he can drink anyone under the table. There's rumours that he can down a pint in 0.5 seconds. He's got more beer in his body than blood itself.
Shots on the reg, fucking let's do it now, right now. Piece of pitch, mate, piece of pitch. This is Dave, I'm out.
This is Danny, he grills more birds than George Foreman. He's had sex more times than he's had roast dinners, and he has more birds round his gaff every night than Hugh Hefner himself.
As I was saying, boys go to Benidorm, I'm looking at about 80,000 birds a day. Oh, you up, Dave? What are you saying there, Georges?
Where's my boyfriend?
Oh, no, me, I'll show you good stuff. Oh no, come on! Leave him, he's a man! You never know, your missus could be next to Benidorm. Anyway, got 3 birds waiting for me at home.